Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by Honda Airblade owners: brake problems. We'll explore the symptoms, causes, and how to get your brakes back in top shape. Let's start with the symptoms. If you're experiencing any of these, it's time to investigate. First, a spongy brake lever or pedal. This means your brakes feel soft and don't provide immediate stopping power. Next, a brake lever or pedal that travels too far before engaging. This indicates a loss of brake fluid or air in the system. Another sign is reduced braking performance. If your stopping distance has increased, your brakes may be failing. Squealing or grinding noises when braking are also big red flags, suggesting worn brake pads or rotors. Finally, the brake light staying on can indicate a problem with the brake switch or the system itself. Now, let's look at the causes. One of the most common is worn brake pads. Over time, the pads wear down, reducing their ability to grip the rotor. Another cause is low brake fluid. This can happen due to leaks or simply needing a fluid top-up. Air in the brake lines is another culprit, often caused by a leak or improper bleeding after maintenance. A faulty brake master cylinder can also lead to brake failure. It's responsible for applying pressure to the brake lines. Then, there's the possibility of a damaged or warped brake rotor. This can cause vibrations and reduce braking efficiency. Lastly, a stuck brake caliper can prevent the brakes from releasing, causing the bike to drag and overheat. Now, for the repairs. If you have a spongy brake lever or pedal, start by bleeding the brakes to remove any air. If that doesn't work, there might be a leak in the system, or the master cylinder could be failing. If your brake lever or pedal travels too far, again, start by bleeding the brakes. Also, check for any leaks in the brake lines. For reduced braking performance, inspect the brake pads and rotors. Replace them if worn or damaged. For squealing or grinding noises, immediately check your brake pads and rotors. Replace them if necessary. Lubricate the brake caliper slide pins. If the brake light is staying on, inspect the brake switch and wiring. Replace the switch if it's faulty. If you suspect a stuck brake caliper, inspect and clean the caliper pistons. If they're seized, you may need to rebuild or replace the caliper. Remember, your brakes are crucial for your safety. If you're not comfortable working on them yourself, always consult a qualified mechanic. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your Honda Airblade stopping safely. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.